Abhyas, high-speed expendable aerial target. Modern air defense systems require realistic and challenging targets to ensure combat readiness. To meet this demand, India developed Abhyas, a high-speed expendable aerial target designed to simulate advanced enemy threats and strengthen weapons testing capabilities. Origin and development. Abhyas was developed by India's premier defense research organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, through its Aeronautical Development Establishment. The program was initiated to reduce reliance on foreign target drones and to provide a fully indigenous solution for air defense training and evaluation. Design and flight characteristics. Abhyas features a compact airframe optimized for high subsonic speeds and stable flight profiles. It is powered by a small gas turbine engine that enables rapid acceleration and sustained high-speed performance. The aerial target is launched from a mobile launcher using a booster system, allowing quick deployment from land or coastal test ranges. Mission role and capabilities. The primary role of Abhyas is to act as a realistic target for testing surface-to-air missiles, air-to-air weapons, and radar tracking systems. It can mimic the flight behavior of enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and unmanned aerial threats. The system supports programmable flight paths, varying altitudes, and evasive maneuvers, making it suitable for complex engagement scenarios. Recovery and cost efficiency. Unlike many expendable targets, Abhyas is equipped with a parachute-based recovery system. This allows safe retrieval after mission completion, significantly reducing operational costs and enabling reuse of critical components. Its design emphasizes affordability, ease of maintenance, and rapid turnaround between missions. Strategic importance. Abhyas plays a crucial role in enhancing the credibility of India's missile and air defense testing ecosystem. By providing a reliable, indigenous, and high-performance